Okay, Jimmy, thank you for taking time for the interview. Do you see the lending business and wealth management business has returned to the pre-COVID level?
Yes, I think we're recovering very well. If I look at the annual report number, we have double-digit growth in both the NII, the profit before tax, and also in deposits. And then for the retail business and lending business, it's more than 100% recovery. So I guess we are still in the mode of looking at the business opportunities. Right now we have more than 1 trillion in balance sheet size, and also we have 49 branches, and we're employing 3,000 people, of which 2,500 in Hong Kong and 500 staff in Shenzhen. We do have a subsidiary called Huashan Yinhang. So it's a full license subsidiary, banking subsidiaries in China. So we work hand by hand with ICBC, other branches in Chinese mainland to provide the services.
Well, as you mentioned, you have an operation in Samchan. That is an important part of Greater Bay Area.
Very true.
It's just like Hong Kong is also part of it, the GBA story. So can you tell us more about your plan, how you will take the opportunity of the GBA?
Okay, I guess we have to look at this with a perspective. First of all, we talk about going in. The other perspective is going out. So what I really mean by that, for example, in the retail area, we talk about how we can have the cross-border payment, make sure that you have the consumption, you can pay your bill. On the other way around, when they come to Hong Kong, visitors from mainland come to Hong Kong, they also have to look at how they can spend their money. So it's a very typical model. So in the wholesale banking, in the corporate commercial area, we're also seeing the same. So we're seeing the entities, the enterprises, companies in Greater China would like to go out. And they would like to team with us to invest in places like Middle East, Southeast Asia. On the other side, we're seeing the international partners who would like to invest more in Hong Kong as well as in the Chinese mainland. So I can see that GBA is actually more than just financing. It's about a business opportunity where enabling both offshore entities and the onshore entities to work together. And for us, it's very important we can connect them together by providing the right services we have. For example, we talk about the Account Connect, Service Connect. The investment demand is very good. And I have to say that, given we have the highest saving rate in the world, so there's a lot of money look at the wealth management and also how to manage the risk. So Hong Kong play a very, very good position to connect both onshore and offshore market. In addition, we're also providing them with very prudent products and also help them to manage their risks.
Well, ICBC Asia is part of ICBC Group, actually the largest banking group in the world.
Yeah. The ICBC Group, we already have presence in 49 countries. And then we also serve over 20 countries in Africa through our investment in the Standard Bank of South Africa. So you can see that we have a very good coverage all over the world. And also, it link up to the renminbi internationalization, the Belt and Road Initiative, and also we are capturing the unique opportunity like the Lansha, the Lofton Metropolitan projects, and also the GBA area. So you can see that there's a lot of things moving on, and also we are basically helping our customer to understand where the opportunities, and also we provide the right level of products and support for them to start their business here. So regardless whether they want to go in or they want to go out. So that is the way we make use the whole ICBC network in terms of the cash management, treasury center, retail banking, wholesale banking. So we talk about the one ICBC. It means that once you're with us, it's the global services we can offer you.
This positive outlook, you think you need to hire more? What's your plan in your talent training and recruitment?
Well, I would say we would love to hire more people because we call Hong Kong the home market. We are Chinese bank, so Hong Kong is part of China. So this is our home market. We would like to hire more people. Having that said, we have to be very prudent in terms of our business model. So we do hope that for what I have just mentioned, we can see a more better outcome, more business, more profits in terms of capturing the business both in GBA and also international markets. So with that, I'm pretty confident we will see more staff and also we will see more talents willing to work for us in Hong Kong and also in the Chinese mainland.
Well, I think all financial firms are now taking ESG and also fintech as maybe the two major development plans. Can you also tell us what is ICBC Asia's plan in these two areas?
Okay, I just mentioned in the panel that there are 5 priorities. So green finance is one of them. Technology finance and digital finance also one of them, right? So I guess first of all, we set up a very clear framework and governance in terms of supporting the ESG and green financing. So it's our annual training. We have to familiar with the framework, who should we go to in terms of the green project, and also we are helping dearly the industry to transform from the high carbon to low carbon industry. Also make use of better efficiency in energy. So, in the ESG area, also ICBC Group is a major issuer in the green bonds and also carbon neutral bond. And also we are doing the ESG bond as well. So you can see that, we take the funding from the, ESG area and green area. We also reuse the proceeds to supporting the transformation project, the greenfield projects, brownfield projects in those areas. In terms of the technologies, no need to say, we have different branches. In GBA, if you know better, actually every city, they have their own edge in the technology. While I'm mentioning that Hong Kong is very good in terms of technology, but if you look at for example, the 3 trios, Guangzhou is one of the very top cities. So we work very closely with ICBC GBA, and then also, to see how we can support them to, for example, export those EV or lithium batteries, solar panel to their customers. At the same time, giving them the operation capitals to make sure that they are in healthy financial status to expand their business. So you can see that it's a very dynamic process, but I think the direction is very clear. Technology, the 5 priorities, they are the key area the bank would like to support. In a nutshell, we talk about supporting the real economy and also supporting our customer to have a better living, better life.
So overall, what do you think to be the major opportunity and challenge in 2024?
I guess geopolitical situation is very complicated. So I don't see that will be an easier way to overcome. And in addition, the high interest rate environment discourage the investment and also consumption. So of course, we all know that interest rate will come down at one day, but in my own opinion, with the deglobalization, I don't think it can go back to the previous level. So in other words, interest rate level will stay at the reasonable level. They are the major challenges, and while we have the risk, we're also seeing the opportunities. As I mentioned that, I think obstacle is something good or bad. Bad is, we might give you more headaches, but the good thing is you are forced to find your own way out and solutions. So as I mentioned, there are a couple of areas very clear with the policy support. The 5 priorities, technology, and also, is all over the place, including those, the aging population, the inclusive, initiative, I think that there's a big opportunities, not only for banks, but also for our partners in different areas. So they need to think about, how they can work with us by getting the first-hand information, getting to know the business and the environment in China, and also they have to look at how we can support them in terms of the financing using our balance sheet. And more importantly, it's about the communication. So we do hope that we can, as a good super connector, by channel back the commerce and also the opinions such that we can enhance the overall policies and those connect schemes. So it will create a win-win situation for everyone.